Namaste. This is the chart of a native who is currently facing a lot of cash flow issues and is also having unwanted or wasteful expenses. So, the first thing that we will do is try and understand why this is happening, and then I'll talk about a few remedies. When we notice, especially when we talk about uh, finances or bank balance, we focus on the second house. And you can see here that the second cuspal sublord is Rahu. So basically, whenever second CSL is Rahu, the native will have sudden uh, problems connected to finance because second house represents our bank balance, family. So there could be issues either in the family itself or it could give financial trouble as well. The second point I would like to point out is the current dasha is that of Saturn, and we can see here Saturn is in the fourth house and owns 11 and 12. Now, when we focus on planet to house aspects, you can see that Saturn is actually bothering the 11th house. There is a negative aspect on the 11th house. 11th house is the house of gains or wish fulfillment. And since Saturn also owns the 12th house, any kind of an investment. See, when we make an investment, we definitely want to have some kind of a gain. So 12th house talks about investments, and 12th house, when it is negative, is also responsible for losses. It also indicates disappointments. So in this case, since Saturn is damaging the 11th house, so any kind of an investment from 12th house also is getting converted to losses. So 11th house is completely damaged. So there cannot be any kind of gains, or the gains are very limited in this case. And the third point I would also like to highlight here is you can see ninth house. Ninth house is house of divine grace or house of luck, as we can call it. And ninth house also represents our ancestors. So there are multiple planets which are damaging the ninth house here. So obviously this clearly shows that there is kind of pitradosh and there is lack of divine grace. All said and done, whatever we do, we definitely need blessings of the divine. We need blessings of our ancestors. So that is a little uh, dull here. So these 3 points which I have discussed can clearly indicate that there are issues connected to finances and also wasteful expenses. Now, let me talk about a couple of remedies the native can do, which can certainly reduce the impact. It may not stop everything, but it can definitely reduce the negative impact. Now, the first one I would like to recommend is please keep a bowl of water on the terrace or wherever you have space where birds can take water or have water. So this has to be done on a daily basis. The second thing I would like to recommend is please chant Hanuman Chalisa at least once a day. One more remedy that I can suggest is you should do Surya Namaskar at sunrise and offer water to sun, preferably in a copper vessel, or any other vessel will also do, but if you have a copper vessel it is better. And lastly, I would also like to recommend that please visit any Lakshmi Narayan temple. I would like to highlight on this Lakshmi Narayan temple every Friday. These things should definitely help, give you strength and also help you in recovery. Thank you so much. God bless you.